if you roll over it, you'll get to see this points are visible. We have something like this white frame coming around this, but we are not able to see the red circle which we generally see. So to solve this issue, what you can do is you can increase the target size to something around 400, 500. And now if you'll see, there is this red colors which is starting to appear. If you want, you can increase this even further to maybe 600, 700. Now you'll see this red color is clearly visible. So sometimes what happens is this red color is not visible and you just see this white frames around. So to solve this, what you can do is you can decrease this track point size slightly and increase the target size. And now you'll see this red color properly. So this is how you can solve this red color circle issue.